I just thought about that song that I believe it's the army that sings it. I'm not sure if what you've been told. I think it begins like that. It doesn't matter what you've been told. It doesn't matter what you think you saw. Let's start today. Drop all those chains that you have been dragging for such a long time just because you wanted to become great. You thought you needed the help of somebody. You feel that you fell in a trap, somebody's trap, and you think that they have the control of you. Your mind, every one of your senses, your mind, your heart, your body, it's not a prisoner of nobody. When you say so, when you decide for that to stop, it's just go ahead and play the next act. But this next act, let it be the one that will allow you to learn how to get to the eye of the needle and make it through the eye of the needle. When you find out that you can continue playing those roles, those are just the roles that you agreed to play. You get paid for it, you get material goods for it. But in the spiritual sack, you have to hold the balance. And you have to just choose to be the real you. And begin the process of learning of who you are, how valuable you are, how free you can be, because nobody's holding you hostage. That's how much you are loved. You are loved so much that you are being allowed to hold yourself prisoner of yourself. You have to free yourself until you make it to the eye of the needle. See the color of the sky? You think that is just a coincidence? That is just a reminder. You're just playing. You're just in a hue. And if you search hue, look at the colors on the rainbow. How many possible shades can you have in between each one of all those beautiful colors? The depths, the intensity of it.